Some people say that it's a book related to marketing. Some people say that it's a book related to skills. Somebody says that it's a book related to self-development or mindset building or financial stuff. To be honest, if I have to share my viewpoint, this book is the best book you can ever have. And like crazy book. The skills which it shares. Like we do this throughout our life. We don't even realize that. So hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel, Mira. Namaste आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So today I'm going to share with you this amazing book, Copycat Marketing 101 by Borg Hedges. So like this sounds marketing and this week is all about skills, but I believe it's the biggest skill one can have. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. This amazing book focuses on financial security of an individual. Like it talks about the difference between the linear and exponential growth of an individual's income. And like it also talk about the most important facet is time is not equivalent to money. The time is limited and money is unlimited. So, like I've shared, that this book is all about skills which you can ever have, and we are doing this and we are following this skill throughout our life. What is it that makes us do this thing? Like, let me share a story with you. Like, when a kid is born, like, do you really believe that kids listen to us and do what we say? Or they do imitate immediately what they see, what we do? Like, if you're reading a book in front of them or doing something, they will start doing that. Have you ever witnessed a child behaving like a father or a daughter behaving like a mother? How does that happen? They just see things every single day which makes them do all these things in the same manner. We all are doing the same thing. We are part of the rat race. We have been taught that go to school, study, take a degree, postgraduate degree, get a job, settle and retire and live a life of a broke. Don't you think it sounds crazy? And if you feel that a doctor is there, physician, musician, athletes, they definitely have a bigger bucket size, but their spending power is also big. And once they stop doing it, like if doctors stop going to his chamber, the income flow will stop. So don't you think we are part of the same duplication part? Like it's crazy, don't you think that? We are just repeating things which we are being taught by society. Have you ever thought why you want to become a doctor? Have you ever thought why you wanted to do a certain thing? Or you did a certain thing just because you see your background is such, or your environment is such, or somebody pushed you to do this because somebody told you that this is a benefit you will get. It's all about duplication. Like we are all duplicating things which we see in front of our eyes, and our mind tend to believe that. Okay, let me make it more easier for you guys. How many of you goes to a party, like especially girls? So if you guys like something from another girl, what you guys do? You go to a shop, try to find exactly the same dress, or you try to wear something equivalent to that dress. Yes or no? Think about it. We want to do certain things. We want to go to the same tuition class so that we can score more because that teacher is amazing. From where does this thought come from? Think about it for a moment. It's all about duplication because it's the environment, it's the society. That is why there is a huge gap between 3% people and 97% people. 97% people carry 3% of the wealth, and 3% of the people carry 97% of the world's wealth. There is a reason behind it. They duplicate the right thing. Like it's okay, like we are being programmed that way, we are following the society, we are being part of the whole. That's okay, I understand, I agree with all of you. And that's the worst thing also because our mind is programmed already. But do you know what's the best news? You can literally turn things down. You can literally duplicate new things. You can literally start doing things which you really want to do. Like if you want to become a millionaire, start following a millionaire and see what he does and how it does. Start duplicating his stuff, put in the hard work. Because anyway you guys are putting in effort so much to duplicate things, it's like amazing. Think about it for a moment. And this book is all about this copycat marketing, duplication. Like our mind is programmed in such a way that even if we start doing or thinking that way, we tend to take a step back and think like, why? We ask this question, why the skeptical mind, my friends? Think about it for a moment. Don't think much, just go for it. If you want to change, break the cycle. Be someone who breaks the cycle instead of being part of the rat race of the cycle. Break the cycle. That's exactly what I am doing. Like, to be honest, I don't like the environment I am in. I don't want to be the part of this rat race. I want to break free. So I'm trying and doing whatever I can so that I come out of this cycle and break free and make a different world altogether. Now the choice is yours. Whom you want to duplicate? Do you want to continue duplicating the same people and you start getting the same results, or you duplicate the right people whom you want to become and get the results which you ever desire for? The choice is yours. And this book is all about this. And yeah, this is all I have to share with you, and a little bit about the book, like what it has in store in content. It's all about the financial stuff, of course. I've already mentioned it talks about the difference between the linear growth and exponential growth. How duplicating can grow your business exponentially. And this book is maximum read by the marketers or the network marketers or the marketing team, because this is something which is very powerful tool which one can use in their daily life, and it's not limited to a network marketing company. It's limited to everywhere. Like you can just read through this book and start implementing these things. Like we are all nuggets of duplication. We all are very good in cloning things. It just we need to find the right thing. That's what makes a difference. So decide, guys. You want to duplicate things which you makes you unhappy, or you want to duplicate things and make things happen for yourself and family. The choice is yours. And I'm sure you guys might be wondering from where you guys can grab yourself a paperback. So what I will do is I will put the link in the description box from where you guys can buy this book and also support my channel. So this is pretty much of the video, guys. I hope I was able to add value, and thank you so much for watching my video and tuning in today. And if you like the video, then do share it with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment section where you guys are tuning in from. It's amazing to know people globally. So I'll see you next week again with another book from the series. And till then, Mera Namaste आप सभी को.